Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on General Management. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got two different options which we can customize. Firstly, we can decide what kind of clock format we want to use. We can use 24-hour format just like now, or use 12-hour format just by tapping on this switcher. As you can see, it immediately changes. What's more, we can set the date and time manually just by tapping on this switcher, and let's tap on set time. Here we can change it just by swiping, confirm with done. We can set the date also, just find it in this calendar, tap on it and tap on done. The same situation, it is also immediately applied. What's more, we can change the time zone, just tap on the region, and here we've got full list of available regions of available time zones. So just tap on the one you like to use. It is immediately set, and let me get back. Be aware that changing the time zone will also affect the time, because it will change according to the time zone. So actually this is how to manually change the time zone and date and time, and obviously you can go back to all previous settings. So in order to set the date and time automatically, it will be provided by the network. Just tap on the switcher here and tap here to use 24-hour format. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.